Everyone needs property in the shape of plots, houses, or for an investment in real estate. I am Saqib Hussain Abed and I have been working as a real estate manager and consultant at Ahmad Estate Property Advisors Private Limited, Swaں Garden, Islamabad. We are providing you the best real estate services for sale, purchase, rent and construction, especially in Swaں Garden, CBR, Phase 1 and 2, Gulbberg and DHA. If you have an investment and not have an idea how to invest, so let's have a cup of tea with us and meanwhile discuss how and where we can invest to get the maximum profit and minimum risk. We are trained certified specialists in the real estate market from last 20 years. Basically, special mission is to make the good relationship between our clients. If you want to get the more discussion about the real estate investment or for sale, purchase or construction, so please call